Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Fixing this for Focus. Last time I fixed his passenger side steering knuckle, and this time I'm fixing the driver side steering knuckle. So let's get to it. Alright, go ahead and put your gas in. Now I can check both sides. See my car, and even lift. Some videos I do that too. Just ready. Lower your jack. And once I'm standing before the loose, do a nice shove. Here you go. Good luck. Jig enough. Get it up. You're gonna get super rough. This one's on. Alright, get that last bolt out and get your bungee cord ready. You're going to want to hold up your caliper with the bungee cord. Bungee cord. There we go. Now I'm going to wrap it around here. Oops. And now I can let it hang. Definitely get something to support that. Our rotor off, and let's go put it somewhere nice. Nice little cozy bed for the rotor. Off, we can place our shield down over here, and my bolts are next to it. And now we're gonna take off the sensor here. Just push in the clip and pull up, and it comes right out. And then I'm just gonna tuck this back like this, just so it's out of the way. And now we're gonna use, I think that's like a T15 or something to take off the sensor. Well, looks like it's a T25. Let's try the T25. Screw out, go ahead and take your sensor. I'm going to place mine by my dust shield, that way it reminds me to put it back on. Alright, so I already sprayed this tie rod with WD-40, and I'm going to be taking that off now. Let me show you guys what so this is a 15 millimeter. I'll go ahead and use my impact drill to break that loose. First we're going to get over it, and practice it. You're going to want to get one of these on Amazon. It's a knuckle separator. I think it was like 20 bucks or maybe even less. Maybe like 11 with shipping. Anyway, this is the only thing that worked. I tried so many things. A chisel didn't work. There was another separating tool that broke. Yeah, this is the only thing. Right, so we're going to be taking off this bolt for the knuckle right here at the top. For me, it's a 50. Alright, what's up? Alright, so you're gonna want to go and get a T55 or something. You gotta check the one for yours. Mine's like a T something 55. And then this side is an 18. And just like that. That's great. Wow, that was really easy. I didn't have to use a mallet to hit that out or anything. That was nice. Alright, so now we're going to use our separator to get the steering knuckle off. I guess I should get it off the bottom first. Probably be a smarter idea. Might separate one thing, so I'm not getting the chisel first. Sorry, getting separation here. Right. Dang. Let's see if enough for you in there. Oh, almost. It's also on the pry tool, specifically for this arm. You're going to fry and snack. And that should come down a little more. This might be good to take it to the neck. In there, get this out. I can leave the separator on this side, that's actually pretty cool. Alright, that's one side, now I can get this out now. Be sure to put the separator in there. Need 17. Alright, once you've got the separator in there, go ahead and give some wax. Dang it. Get a crowbar. Alright, once that's nice for me, remove the crowbar. That's it. Get a punch. And you're going to go ahead and get these snaps. Okay, separate rocker. On with it. Alright, you'll know you got your axle free when it starts to move in. There we go. This axle is free. Now we can place our steering or knuckle separator back on. Get your mallet, get some wax. Alright. Hold up. And you place your axle. And that's it, you're done. Before I put the new one back on, actually, I'm going to take this tie rod off because I need to replace it. And it's going to be easier, a lot more room. Okay, so you're going to want to get yourself some needle nose pliers and a really long screwdriver, flathead. The flathead is to stick down in here and to get off the clamp that's right here on the back. Is there no clamp there? There should be a clamp there. There should definitely be a clamp there. Okay, so I do see a clamp, and it is on this side. So you're going to stick this into that little slot and then twist. And it should pop right off. There we go. And then get your handy dandy magnet. Okay, so it does not want to magnet. Okay, handy dandy there. And handy dandy. And there you go. Back off. And we'll put it down. Sometimes these screws get stuck. And you gotta stick this under here, break it loose. Sometimes you didn't have to get this stuck. Ruining the boot and I have to use the boot. There we go. Come on. Okay, so you are going to need one of these tie rod removal tools. Okay, once you got that situated, go ahead, there it goes. Very nice. Go ahead and move your tool. And take this all off. And don't forget to say this, you want to keep this. Okay, I like to measure mine up, and you can see that's pretty close. You are definitely going to need an alignment, but just to give you an idea of how to match them up. Do not forget to put this back on, the spacer. Alright, once that's nice and good, pull this arm in again. No. Okay, so once you got that situated on there, nice, take it off. Very hard. Tighten it, tighten it. Okay, once you're ready for it, go and put your boot all the way back. Nice and snug. Alright, so once your boot's all the way back and situated, go ahead and get your zip tie. Okay, once you get your zip tie all the way down there, go ahead and secure it. Okay, so once you got it situated, you can go ahead and use wire cutters and cut that end off. There you go. Okay, now you're going to get your second zip tie. Cut off excess. Cut off excess. Alright, I cleaned this off with some brake cleaner, and now that I have my new wheel hub, I'm going to go ahead and place it on. Not that involving. Definitely involving. Alright, so we're going to back in. Place it back on our strut. Use it properly. Alright, you're already in the depth of this part. Alright, so I got my knuckle splitter in there, and I got it a little bit tightened. I'm going to do a little bit more. That's fine. Now we're going to double check. Go to the top. Go ahead and take off the separator. And then you're going to make sure it lines up. You're going to want to make sure it lines up with this notch right there. And then push it all the way up. Alright, how are we doing it? Very good. And table. Set that down. Once you got that one nice and set up, go ahead and get the bottom bolt and nut. Pass it under there. Alright, get yourself a mallet, tap it in. Once that's on, go ahead and get the nut and then start to thread it. 16, 18. And then get 14, 50 later. Okay, so now I'm going to put back the ax on that. It's inside up. Alright, as you can see, I can't turn it anymore. Half a turn, and we're good. Alright, so now we're going to be putting our sensor back on. Go ahead and place this in here. And our screw, it's a thread locker. Thread locker. And go ahead and put it up. Close the neck sensor. Push your flex, and you're good. Alright, next one, tie rod situated in here. It's all through. I'm gonna go ahead and put the capstan on now. So it's 17. Make sure the hole is facing opening. Then you can stick the pin through. Just the pliers. Stick the pin through. And that's what it looks like in the end. Okay, the second bolts. Go. Just to keep it moving around. Makes life a little easier. Alright, want to help now? Make sure your brake has it back in place. Sit your properly. Move your bungee cord. Place on your driver. Grab your cover bolts. Come on. Bottom one. Out. You have to get the cover up and then screw it in. Yes. 19. Put the bolt on. Go ahead and step up. Okay, put our tire back on. Alright, close them up. Alright, now I just got to bring the jack stands down, and I'm done. Join me next time when I replace the lower control arms. That'll be fun.